first. Damn. It's good that I left enough extra extra cable in here, because this will have been a nightmare. I will need to reroute the cable all the way to the console, so that's good. That's cool. So my idea is that this, I saw something going down and I don't know what it was. That will go there like that, flat, and then I will have one cable on the right going to this light and one cable on the other going to the other side. The diameter of the cable, the original cable from the light, the diameter is a little bit smaller, so I just wanted to know if tightening it up, it will become, it will become, it's not straight, it's tight.